I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the route number and the posted cash fare. This saves you confusion at the stop. Once done, count exact coins and bills. Drivers often cannot make change, so prepare $1, $2, $5 denominations and coins like quarters and loonies. As the bus nears, step forward and signal clearly so the driver knows you want on. This ensures the driver doesn't pass. You'll reduce stress and speed boarding by being ready with the correct fare and a clear signal. You board through the front door, greet the driver, and say your destination if needed. This helps if the route branches. Then place the exact cash into the fare box or hand it to the driver if required. Do not expect change unless a change machine is available. Make sure to accept any printed transfer or proof of payment immediately and tuck it away. That paper often lets you connect without paying again. If unsure, ask the driver about transfer rules so you know how long it's valid. You ride attentively, watching stops or listening for announcements, and press the stop request a block early so the driver can slow safely. Once the bus stops, gather your belongings and exit. Use the rear door if permitted to speed boarding behind you. If you didn't receive a transfer or the fare box wouldn't accept your cash, address it immediately. Speak calmly to the driver or note the bus number and later contact transit customer service. Keeping receipts or the route/time helps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.